Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Plus. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth turned on, so open control panel and enable it if it's disabled. Now it should reconnect to your phone automatically, but for iOS device we need to go to the settings and then Bluetooth and tap at them at the device list. You can also try to do this on your Android. Sometimes it happens that you don't want to reconnect automatically. Then, if it didn't help you, we need to perform soft reset. Put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now your earbuds disconnected from your phone, and after that you need to open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone automatically. So we see that at the device list, but also sometimes maybe you need to tap at your earbuds. Not this time, but you can also try to tap on them. Now, if the software reset didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. And we have two options how to perform a factory reset. We can use the application, so we need to open Creative app, then go to the settings at the right top and click reset device. The plus is that you don't need to reconnect your phone, you don't need to reconnect your earbuds to your phone then, because I will show you how to do this manually, and manually we need to reconnect them. So let's perform a factory reset. Put your earbuds to the case, but do not close the case this time. At the bottom we have connectional button, and you need to press and hold this connectional button until the LED lights start blinking red and blue. So press and hold. Sorry, not red and blue, I missed until it flashed red 5 times. And now we had it, so then you can release your finger and then we need to reconnect them. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device button at the top, if you have this button, because not all Android phones have it. And if you have iOS or Android without this button, you need to go back and return to the Bluetooth. But right now, for iOS 26, it doesn't work. So you need to, on your iOS 26, turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Maybe they will fix it in the future. Then, tap at your earbuds at the device list, and we have connection. Now, if this method didn't help you also, we need to reset Bluetooth settings. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check this part to find a similar path. Now, on your Android, open settings, and then we need to go to the general. Then scroll down, and at the bottom we have reset for transfer iPhone. Tap at this line, click reset, and in this window you need to select reset network settings. Then write your password and click reset network settings again. But you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So you need to know it. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open settings. And then we need to go to the system. So scroll down, system, and then scroll down again. At the bottom we have reset options, at least on stock Android. In this window we need to select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and click reset. But you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!